Welcome back. If you are looking for a new best friend in your household, we just may have the perfect one for you this morning. I want to introduce you to Budderball and, of course, Kelsey Keeney from the SEK Humane Society joining us this morning. We've got some fun events to talk about, but first, let's talk about the tiny elephant in the room here.
Yeah, so this is Budderball. He is a 3-month-old Carolina Husky mix, so he can be very vocal at times, very playful. He's not quite available yet. He still just needs to be neutered, but you can still foster him if you're interested, which means you still get to take him home if your application's approved, and then just kind of work with us through the process of getting his neuter appointment set up and all that.
And good thing if you're looking for a female dog, Budderball has sisters.
Yeah, he has 2 sisters, and then he also has his mom as well.
All right, so there's some options there as well. That's great. Okay, so we have a fun event that just started yesterday, or you guys have a fun event. It's a virtual cat show.
Yeah, so it's our first ever cat show, and what it is people will submit pictures. We have 4 different categories. We have kitten, adult, best costume, and best trick. And people will submit the pictures and videos to Jasmine, our director. If you're interested in that, it is on our website under the events tab, and then it should show you all the directions on how to make the payments to our PayPal and submit the photos and all that jazz.
Okay, and hopefully you guys will get some fun pictures and videos with some cute cats that we can share later on. That'd be fun.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and the other event is not until February, but it's something that would be really cool involving a little guy like this. Dates with a dog or?
Yeah, so it's called Will You Be My Date? It's kind of for Valentine's Day. It's going to be the 4th and 5th, and it's just a $10 donation, which will go towards future rabies vaccinations on future dog intakes. And then people will come in. It's on a Saturday and Sunday when we're open. They'll come in and pick the dog that they want to check out for the day and just kind of have like a date out on the town.
Yeah, that'd be fun. And hopefully this one will be well adopted by then.
Yeah.
Okay, and you said that this one, Budderball, are his sisters ready right now, or do they need to go through that process too?
No, so mom and his siblings all still have to go through that process as well.
Okay, so how long do you think it'll be before they're ready?
I would probably give it a couple weeks to a month, just with the holidays coming up and all that.
Scheduling and whatnot? Okay, well, any tips, last minute tips for people who may have already got a pet over the holidays or something, to just kind of, you've got your Christmas tree, your presents, and all the ornaments.
Yeah, so with cats and Christmas trees, that can kind of be a hassle at times. I just recommend, letting them check it out on their own, not like wreaking havoc and knocking down your tree entirely, but just kind of let them get used to it a little bit, maybe even get them like their own play toy of a mini Christmas tree, just something that occupies them and distracts them away from it.
Yeah, a good distraction. All right, well, thank you so much for coming in, and thank you for bringing Budderball.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
He's a little explorer. We will be right back.